forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh,
My beautiful people, I welcome you to Soul Stereo. कैसे हैं आप लोग? My new joiners, thank you so much. I welcome you. My old joiners, thank you so much. I love you to bits. And we're a tiny community, we're growing. And thank you for all your support. I'm having an amazing candy, so and it's like all maple and little bit of mango in it. So yum flavor. Anyway, so maybe somebody's eating a mango, or maybe somebody is like having a maple syrup and like a croissant. I don't know. So I'm here to do your reading today. Okay. So I'm gonna do Aries मीन राशि वालों के लिए क्या आने वाला है. Okay. Love messages only. Nothing to do with career. It would be a relationship oracle that we're going to pull out a card from the Power of Love deck. Okay. And it's a timeless reading, so whenever the title attracts you, obviously the reading is meant for you, okay? As there is no clock in the universe, we all know that, okay? So for our Aries, मेरी सारी information guys description box में kindly have a look, and if you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, please do, because that helps the channel grow, community grow, and if you can share the reading with somebody, that would be also great. And I'm only available on Twitter and on YouTube. I don't do this for money. I offer readings, yes. So if you're interested, you can ping me on Twitter, and we can get connected. Accordingly, let's see. Without wasting time, I'm gonna timestamp it so you can see it accordingly. Okay. So what are the messages, Michael, I need to see for Aries? The reading would be essentially in English, but of course a little bit of Hindi goes with it. So if you see me singing a song or something like that, it's not that I love to sing, although I'm a trained singer, but it's the song which is coming around, which is being muted. So I call upon my spirit guides. Michael, Blueberry is my spirit guide too. Show me the message we need to see for Aries. Love messages for Aries, full moon, lunar eclipse, Sagittarius, or whatever time you watch it, right? What is the love oracle? What is the love oracle that my Aries need to see? Ooh. You demonstrate the language of the heart by actively sharing and living love. Compassion. Ooh la la. I'm giving you 2 minutes to actually look at the card. Okay. You can take the screenshot. You can watch it, because then it really works. The energy works. That's how. With people that I'm tapping into, okay, people who are watching it, cross watches, please take it as it resonates, okay? अपना inner compass जरूर use कीजिएगा. Sun, Moon, Rising, do watch, so you get more clarity. So with compassion, it's about receiving and giving, living it, okay? Living it. So it's about allowing your soul to see everything from the eyes of the love, okay? And I'm going to explain this card to you. Let me pull out your love messages first, and then I'm going to just explain it to you more clearly. I'm going to use the Rider-Waite University. No, in fact, I'm just I'm going to clarify this. I'm going to clarify your card with this. They're telling me to use the Lightseer deck somehow for you guys. Aries, आपके लिए. So I'm going to use the Lightseer deck, because that's what they're advising. They're saying you can clarify the same with the universe. So Aries, मिलो ना हमको तो घबराए, मिलो तो आँख चुराए, हमें क्या हो गया है. Aries, I think with you guys, I think what's happening is that I'm going to keep the reading short. So what's happening is that the song that I just sang is about that the person is saying, maybe it's for singles, or somebody who's dating somebody, they've just started dating, or somebody who really likes, or they're in a relationship, they've just committed to a relationship, take it the way it resonates. So it says that if I meet you, my heart goes boom boom, and if I don't meet you, I am like feeling so down and out, what to do. I really want to, I've got butterflies in my stomach both ways. So it's about actively sharing and living love. They're asking me to shuffle. I'm shuffling, okay? So let me see what are the messages, Michael, I need to see to this. for my soul tribe, Aries, Meen Rashi. What do they need to see? Reversals nahi karte hain, we only tap into genders. Okay. Sorry. Maybe it's about gender. Maybe there's an issue about gender. Somebody feels that, I am strong enough. Could be a man or a woman, either way, right? Sorry, but we don't tap into genders, only energies. Alright. And reversals nahi, unless I'm guarded through. So what is the message we need to see? Because love doesn't understand the language of gender, right? And there's no separation if you're in love. That's what I feel. Or maybe you guys are not together, could be distance travel that I sense. Oh yeah, Three of Swords. Like this pain, this hurt, somehow Aries. Why is there hurt? Michael? Three of Swords. Because of the options, somebody felt Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, Aries, literally. So could be an air sign, could be a water sign. Because of options, let's just continue. One more card, please. But you also no cups. When a leaf falls from the tree, keep that in mind. It's not that how should I put it? It's not, don't take it lightly. अगर एक leaf पेड़ से गिरता है, branch से गिरता है, so it's not just the leaf, it's the entire season, because it has seen that. So with the Three of Swords, what I see is that you've been in a relationship with somebody for a while, and it's about the options that the other person had or could have moved out. I don't know. Let me see what else comes around for you. But it's like you getting the vibe, and you know why. With the Magician here, it's like it's a soulmate connection. Six of Cups. Yeah, so somebody basically went ahead not realizing that what this is about. Somebody felt tempted for something, Aries. Okay, so take it as it resonates. Okay, don't shoot the messenger, I'm telling you again. So it's a very strong soul tie. There's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that you're dealing with, Aries. And what I really see here is that this heartbreak is about the fact that somebody felt there's an option, there are more options around them, and somebody felt that somebody is going away. But with the Six of Cups, they kind of see that it's a soul tie. It's a strong soulmate energy. It's a very strong soulmate energy. And with the Magician out, it says that it's completely in your hands. It's the core kind of vibe. It's in your hands as to what you want to do right now. Because you got all this still. The person that I'm tapping into, the Aries energy I'm tapping into, do watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, is somebody who can make it, break it their way. If you want this relationship really to work, which is very loyal, very cute, more like past life, more like shared lots together, share lots of cups together and experiences together. So that's why it's hurting to sort of feel that if the person is considering you as an option, it's kind of hurting. But they're saying that it's completely in your hands. You need to really see why, because it's like that kind of vibe where you want to, but you're not able to. So with the Love Oracle, it said the same thing. It's about actively sharing and living love. You'll have to contribute your part. You cannot just stay in the myth that the person has options. Aries, I think you are in that myth. Okay, you are in that understanding, in that mindset that maybe the other person has a lot of options, and maybe the person is not interested. But that's not the case. They do love you. Because it's a soulmate tie, yeah? It's something which is very strong. It's just that you feel that pain with the Three of Swords. Why? Because you love the person, but maybe it's because of the ego, because of certain things which is stopping you. But deep down that there's a lot of love. and you know the energy we're talking about is very loyal to you, but you're just kind of confused. The wheel, Jupiter energy, which is around playing, is turning. It's turning, and it's turning in your favor. It's going to turn in your favor. That is what is a reminder. But you need to be out, because you are actually at a crossroads. And maybe you have a choice, Aries. Let's be honest to each other. Okay? You are at a crossroad, not because of any other reason that you don't trust the person, but you feel that, that there is an option the person has. And with the Knight of Cups, you definitely have an option to consider. And that's what they're actually saying, that you need to be very sure. Maybe somebody is coming your way. Maybe you are actually calling out a relationship with the Magician as well, with the Three of Swords here. Maybe you're calling out a relationship. Maybe you have options, and there is a soulmate, very warm Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy coming towards you and telling you, the same. Very genuine, very honest, very lovable. Could be both ways. It could be you feeling in the boat, or could be you dealing with choices again. You're not really sure which way to go with the Eight of Cups. You're not sure which way to go. Should you stick with the existent one? Yeah, that's how I'm gonna see this. Should you stick with the existent one? Because this Three of Swords is not about the heartache you're feeling. This is about the heartache you think that the person can feel, because there are options available to you, Aries. Okay, when I say that big. Why? Because there's a strong soul tie, soulmate connection. Maybe you have more than one soulmate around you, but the spirit is advising that you are the Magician. You know exactly what you need to do, whether you want to go to the old or you want to entertain the new, because the wheel has started turning, the clock has started ticking now. So you will have to take that call. You cannot be at a crossroad, Aries. With the love message here, you will really have to decide quickly as to who you want in your life. There's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that you're dealing with, very strong air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and strong water energy. Okay, so just be sure as to where are you going. Okay, let me see what is the clarifier. Which side are you directed? Let's see that. Michael Blueberry, there's a lot of anxiety. You're a victim of your own mind right now. That's what they're visibly showing me, but they know that you know exactly which way to go. They're showing me that. Yeah, with the Wheel of Fortune, there's a lot of communication that can happen, that can come to you. Let's see. My Aries, you've got choices, baby. Someone is very fit, likes to work out, but is kind of cribbing right now. Also, I sense that, oh my God, I'm not able to gym. So you're finding out ways. Somebody is very fond of music, Aries. Let's see. Show me the clarifier, Michael, that we need to see for Aries. You are at a crossroad. It's not a good space, right, to be at the crossroads, because it hurts. Ooh la la. Ten of Pentacles is what they're saying. Whatever you're going to choose is going to bring you Ten of Pentacles. What you choose is the whole idea. Nine of Pentacles. They say you're very abundant. Whoever is this Aries, baby, you're very abundant. You are so abundant that you can really change the game. You can just change the game big time. Because this is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So you're very grounded, Aries. Okay. So you know your worth. You know your position. Maybe you know how hot you are, how attractive you are, how much the other person is in love with you, right? So you are not scared of anything. You're just kind of confused with the Two of Swords. You're just saying that I am just trying to still figure things out for myself. Let me just figure it out a little well, so that I can make the right choice and I can invite the Ten of Pentacles in my life. With the Nine of Pentacles, you're very self-assured. With the Ten of Pentacles is saying that whatever you choose is going to be fab. King of Wands. So you have really nothing nothing to worry. You're very abundant, lots of money and lots of love. I see my Aries for you. Thank you so much for watching the reading. If the reading is resonating with you, do give us a like and subscribe. और नहीं भी करती और आपको अच्छी लगी है reading bits में भी, तो do like and subscribe and घंटी का बटन दबाइए so that you know when the next reading is uploaded. Okay, I send you lots of love, lots of love, lots of love. Thanks. Bye.